Hi, thanks for checking our channel. Here's going to be hopefully a repair video on this older unit. This is a Speedrite SM2400 that came to us for repair. I think they make a couple of different variation models, SM1000, SM whatever, in the same case design. This is an old unit from probably the late 80s, early 90s, all the way to the early mid-2000s. And then they discontinued, of course, and then they came out with the Speedrite 1000, 2000, 3000 type units, which don't hold a candle to the reliabilities of older units, but it's what you got out there available to be worked on. I can't find my little card. I'll show you if you don't know who we are. Look down in the description area below. There is a drop-down arrow deal. Hit that. That will bring up our little bit about this video and everything and who we are, and there's links to our website there. But fencerfixer.com is our website. I started making a video on this and then realized I had the camera turned the wrong way, so the video was being recorded sideways, you know, and I wasn't very far into it, so I had to stop and start all over again after I straightened the camera angle out. Well, I'm still in the process of taking this dumb thing apart. Well, what this thing does is it comes on, it clicks very faintly, and it's really fast. Like it's like click, 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 click. So something in there is discharging way too fast. So either the board's got a problem, or the capacitor's 35 years old, 30 years old, whatever, and it's finally wore out. But they got to get these screws out of here. That one's finally coming loose. This one had a bunch of gunk filled up to the top, and that had seized it up, not seized it up, but locked it in there where I couldn't get to it. And I had to spray some shit on there and soften things up. So now what I'm going to try to do, this middle screw right here is a tri-wing tool, and this is normally the bit that gets it out of there. And I don't remember what size tri-wing it is, but it's not breaking it loose because it's spinning. I think someone's tried to take this apart and wallowed that thing out. So, and I can't find my set that had all the tri-wing bits, and so I want to try to slow the speed down a little bit. See if I can get it to grab. Hold on. That's in there kind of cockeyed. Alright, let's push down real hard. No, I ain't grabbing. Tighten up on the damn thing. Oh, shit. It ain't one to come loose. Someone had tried to get in there, and I think they thought it was a regular Phillips, and of course it ain't. It ain't. That's a word. And I cannot find my set of tri-wing bits. Usually I only have to use it on units like this. Maybe I can find another bit that will grab inside there. That one ain't gonna work. That one ain't gonna work. I mean, I can drill it out, but I'll drill the head off the thing, but this makes more work for me. I was trying to take this Phillips bit, but I can't find my little magnetic bit holder. I don't think it would work anyways. I think we're just going to have to drill the dumb thing out, unfortunately. So instead of wasting a bunch of time, let's just do that. Spray a little love juice on there. Lubricant. And then we'll put come on, let go. And then we'll get a drill bit that's a little bit bigger than the head of the bolt. Screw. Cranked it up to 50. Alright, we're going to have to probably do it down a size. Come on. smoking. It's so hot down inside that the lubricant is boiling. Get it popping a little bit. Alright, so that's got a pretty good hole started in there. Let's see if we can get a little bit bigger around to finish off the job. Oh yeah, come on, Bella! All right. Not quite. Sure, I don't have any other bit I could probably use. What's that all about? Alright, there she is. All her glory. Alright. So either that's bad, that's your triggering firing device. Something else bad over here. Or that. Easiest thing to do is to check this first. This particular one has a 20 microfarad capacitor. I'll put a meter over the capacitance. There's no polarity. Use capacitor, so let's go across it, see what it reads. Nada. Bad capacitor. Alright, let me go find another one. Alright, this one we're going to stick in there. It's the same rating as that one. Actually, exactly the same rating as that one. So it's going to fit right there. So we'll solder some wires onto it, plug them into there, and we'll try it again. And we'll use some double-sided foam tape by Mr. 3M. And we'll stick it on like that. Peel that off. Stick it right there, press it into place. Alright, now I don't know if this is going to solve our issue 100%, but it's the cheapest, easiest thing to try first. While my solder iron's heating up, let's get some wire. Don't need big gauge wire. We've got some number 18 or 20 gauge wire that'll work just fine. So this should be enough. We're going to strip it back. And it's going to go from there to there. So I'm just going to go ahead and snip this off while my iron's warming up. Cut this a little long so I have a little room to work with. And then I'll go from here there. Should be long enough. Yep. Alright, so we'll go ahead and bend that up. That solder iron's ready, so now we're just going to add a little solder and tin these wires on here. Hopefully this transformer's good. If not, what the transformer put in here. Go over here, we're gonna tin these. Alright. And then we'll hold them side by side. Get them both up together. That one's done. Same thing over here. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to get a couple of male spade connectors, non-insulated type. Crimp them on there and then I'll solder them. And that's what we'll plug into those female spades on the board. Alright, we'll get that crimped on. Make sure I don't crimp my finger. Hopefully they don't slide off by accident, come loose. We'll flow some solder into the cavity there where the wire goes. Once it heats up or cools off, it'll be good to go. Come on. There it goes. Whew. A little hot still. Alright, let's just see what this does now. Like I said before, it would click really fast and runs really quiet. So probably it's probably just this, but we'll find out because we have to test the output voltage and everything too. Oh yeah. Slowed it down like it's supposed to be, and it's a lot louder, so that capacitor's probably our issue. Plus this little red light out here on the output is flashing, which it's supposed to if everything is working good. Let's test the output here. I think it should probably be about 7,000. 6.87, so there it goes that. We'll do a 500 ohm load test first to see what it drops down to. Probably maybe 4, 5. 4.7 at 2 joule output. This is their joule output. So now we're going to bump it up to 200 ohm load. Probably down to around 3-ish. 2.6 joule output at 3.5 kV, so this is right where it's supposed to be. So, see, there's a date on this thing at all. 1996. That's when the board was built. I don't know, that's when the unit itself was built, but it's not quite 30 years. Getting there. 28 years. 28-year-old unit. All it needed was a capacitor, and away we go. So now we're going to yank this stupid screw out of there now. Put it back together. But, well, this unit's basically done. I just got to get the screw out of there because don't need that in there anymore. That screw doesn't even want to come out. It's like just spinning inside the whole plastic housing there. Well, we'll see what happens. We'll put it back together and call it done. But appreciate you checking out our channel and our video here on Mr. YouTube. I gotta have to get that screw out of there somehow. Cut the head off, I guess. I'll have to find a cutting wheel to cut that off there, and that way I can close it, because right now this is hitting the head of that. Or we can do this. Wall that hole out. Not quite. Now it should fit. Now it'll fit in there. Put screws in it and call this one a job well done. I don't know if Speedrite's offering the capacitors for this unit anymore, but I know if they do, anything with their name on is expensive. So we're going to use that capacitor, and it works just fine. No different. Come on, hold it. Line up. Come on. Come on, get in there. Try it again. Come on. God, can't get the dumb screw to line up. And these freaking screws aren't magnetized. But maybe my bit could at least hold it there. Get it squared up to where to go in the hole. Anyways, I'm stopping this video. I'm getting frustrated. Alright, talk to you guys later on. Have a good rest of your day, and goodbye.